never won anything in my life before.
Just been excited for like 2 weeks. Just seeing all the Chelsea legends and know that they've stood and talked around in the same spot is just unbelievable.
Sharing the experience has been awesome. Seeing the stadium together, seeing the match together in the suite, and also having the chance to go out in London. Such an incredible weekend that I'll remember for the rest of my life.